My mom told me to do this. She told me to sing a very sad song. We'll sing now. Die speakerphone. Just kidding. I'm saying don't die, don't die, don't come. I never knew how to control the microphone. I'm so sorry for breaking your ears. I'm gonna scream again. My microphone is broken. I don't know why I'm doing this. I need my views. I will break your microphone. Very sad story. I don't know. I'll break your ears. I'll break your ears. I got a plushie.
I want to break free.
Now my plushie.
I am making the school project now.
School project from Leandro.
No, it's from Chimmy. Who's Leandro?
From Jimmy.
Yeah, from Chimmy. Who's Leandro?
Stop. This is a broken thing. I don't know how to control myself.
Ouch. What's that hurt?
Ow. 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 End the video.